Well, I've made more progress since the last video. What I've been working on here is the plumbing. So I've been doing all the home run PEX runs back over to this manifold that's in the utility room. So these are all the individual runs, hot and cold, going up to the ceiling that'll be going to all the bathrooms, the kitchen, laundry room, outdoor spigots. So I chose to do this system where, like I said, individual runs to every faucet, every shower. Even our master shower will have a hot and cold to each individual shower, since it'll have 2 shower heads and 2 controls. Here are the ones coming down here for the bathtub that will be here. We have hot and colds going to the sink for the vanity. We have a cold running to the toilet. So when you do it that way and you run individual PEX lines from the manifold, everything will have equal pressure. So when you flush a toilet, you won't notice it lose pressure in a shower or even at the sink. It's really nice to do it that way. So even the laundry here has its own hot and cold. This was a little tricky and complex to fit everything in here, but with a little thinking and sort of playing around constantly, I had to put these hot and cold ones back and forth a few times to get everything nice and organized. But what's going on here is not only is there a shower and the shower head that comes up here, the laundry, but I also have 2 outdoor hose connections. So the reason there's 2 is because one of them is a hot and cold. So I plan on putting an outdoor kitchen out back by the patio, and I wanted to be able to have hot and cold water. What I'll likely do is put a few cabinets right in front of that hose connections, and be able to just use an adapter from a hose connection up to a sink. And then in the winter, I could just turn off those valves and I won't have to worry about anything freezing, since these are frost protected shutoffs in here. So I do have another few hose connections or spigots, whatever you want to call them, outside. One out the back, one off the garage, and then we actually have water ran to the chicken coops. So I don't even have a need to really run one off this wall, since the other one's so close. So some of the details of the hot and colds running through here, I mean, I've tried to keep them super nice and neat. This is the ones that run on this side of the house. Coming over here, I had a whole nother set that feed these bathrooms on this side, so you'll see some connections going up there. So everything's really nice, neat, organized. I do still have some cleanup up in the attic, but I wanted to get everything ran and tied in down here. So that's the update I have with what we've been doing lately. Oh, the other thing we did for, I guess, plumbing related is we ran all of the vents. This is what these PVC pipes are running in the ceiling. The ones running up through the wall right here, those are going up into a common vent that will be a 3-inch pipe right there. So I do have one off the back of the house, goes through the roof, but I wanted to limit my penetrations to the roof. So on this side of the house that I just showed you, we're going to be going through the very top portion of the gable wall outside. So yeah, that's my update. Check out our other videos. There's tons of videos on this entire build if you haven't seen them yet. Still a lot of videos to come. I have all the electrical. I'll be starting probably next week. So go ahead, subscribe if you haven't, and we'll see you guys on the next one.